Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So in this video guys I will be showing you how I'm using a quick detailer with some wax in it to wipe down the windscreen, and specifically here I'm using Sonax Brilliant Shine, but you can use any quick detailer with some wax in it. And the problem is with using a regular glass cleaner is the fact that when you wipe down the window, the buff is kind of a bit problematic to me, because when you try to buff out the chemical or buff out the window at the end, it is very grabby. Well, we eliminate that problem when we use a quick detailer with some wax in it, and that wax gives us that initial slickness. So here I'm using an extension tool with a microfiber on the end to wipe down the windscreen from the inside, because it is a lot easier to use this tool. I'm working in the product thoroughly, and afterwards I'll be using two microfiber cloths, one to initially get the chemical off the surface, because there will be some quick detailer left behind, and the third stage would be just to buff it with a dry microfiber cloth. And the advantages of using a quick detailer: you don't get no lint, because the buff is very slick, and obviously you don't get any streaks. And I'm also using high quality microfiber cloths. On the final buff I'm using a virgin microfiber cloth, a high quality microfiber cloth, to buff out everything. And again, it feels very slick. That's not something you get with the window clear, not all the time anyway. And yeah, you get a slick buff. You don't get no lint from the microfiber cloth. Even if it's new, you can still get some lint. And here I'm eliminating any streaks as well at the same time. And you can use this technique pretty much on all the windows, not just the interior but also exterior. Also works really well on I mean, if you use the wax on your side windows, which move up and down, it reduces friction a little bit. In other words, the windows go up and down smoother. They don't grab onto the rubber seal that is on the window. So, and this is just, and the windows come out very clean. Obviously I can't show you this in the video, but this is a very good technique. And also you're leaving some protection behind, so the windows might be more resistant to dirt and grime. You don't have to use it every time, but reapplying it once in a while will help to keep your windows cleaner. So thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.